I rekey homes. I repair locks. So I unlock locks when they're broken. I unlock locks when a key is lost. I've been working full-time as a locksmith since 1986. I don't advertise traditionally. I network, I go to the people I want to work with, and realtors are a big part of that. A lot of times I get referrals to come and make a key to the front door so that the key can go in a lockbox for the realtor. I get referrals from realtors to open safes. I've also removed safes out of homes when the new owner doesn't want a safe. One of the things I like about my job, it's not 9 to 5. I'm Randy Johnson. I'm a locksmith, I'm a safe cracker. My company name is LockTech, and I service your industry.